Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to withdraw money from Astropay to bank. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. The first step is to verify your bank account. So ensure that your bank account is verified and linked to your Astropay account. This typically involves providing your bank account details and verifying ownership through a verification process. The following step is to log in into your Astropay account. So access your Astropay account using your login credentials. Navigate to the withdrawal section on dashboard. The following step is to initiate the withdrawal. So in the withdrawal section, select the option to withdraw funds to your bank account. Enter the withdrawal amount and select your linked bank account as the withdrawal destination. The fourth step is to review and confirm the withdrawal details. So carefully review the withdrawal details, including the withdrawal amount and the bank account information. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues or delays. Make any necessary adjustments or corrections. The last step is to complete the withdrawal. So once you are satisfied with the withdrawal details, confirm the withdrawal request. Astropay will process the withdrawal and transfer the funds to your linked bank account. The processing time may vary depending on the specific policies and procedures of Astropay and your bank. So this is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.